So UQ is kind of uniquely positioned to be teaching agriculture and biotechnologies. We are already #1 in biotechnology in Australia. The students that come to UQ to learn in the Master of Biotech, they'll have exposure to experts who are the leader in their fields, and that's for plants, horticulture and animals, so any kind of agriculture specialization. UQ is a very good research environment, and because we are doing the cutting-edge research and because we have links with the industry, it's the perfect setting for students to come and learn all the aspects of agricultural biotechnology. So if I was going to give an advice for someone who's thinking about ag biotechnology as a field of study, I would say yes, come and do it. There's lots of interesting things happening. It's cutting-edge technology. You're not going to be short of a job when you finish the degree. And it's a lot of fun. There's never a boring day.